A game-changing keyboard, now in high profile. The Control High-Profile is just like the original Control, but now it comes with a tall CNC-aluminum case that covers the switches. A versatile Tenkeyless TKL keyboard designed with input from the drop community, it raises the bar again for mechanical keyboards. Premium engineering. Constructed with a tall CNC aluminum frame with a built-in switch plate and magnetic legs, the Control High-Profile is rock solid and ready for any setup. Cherry MX Brown RGB switches. This control model comes equipped with Cherry MX Brown switches, which have a tactile bump, silent travel, and medium actuation force, great for both typing and gaming. HOT-SWAPPABLE switch functionality. Want to switch your switches? Customize the Control High-Profile with ease thanks to HOT-SWAPPABLE switch sockets, which allow you to swap switches in seconds, no soldering required. Optimized per key lighting with millions of colors, the Control High-Profile is illuminated with fully customizable RGB backlighting and underlighting. Set your millions of LEDs to a single color or light them up with custom rainbow wave patterns. Top reviews from the United States. Pricey, but quality. 1. Heavy, this thing will not budge when you rest your wrists on it. 2. High profile, I know some people don't like this, but high profile keyboards allow me my fastest typing speeds. 3. Quality, there is no key wiggle, the aluminum frame is gorgeous, the keycaps that came with the board are of outstanding quality, the lighting is very bright. 4. USB-C port on both sides of the board so it can be plugged in whichever you prefer.